Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can use a Q&A visual and create a quick report, or how you can set it up or improve your Q&A response for each field that your users can get all answers of their queries. So let's get started. I'm going to open up Power BI, but before that, if you are first time here on my channel and you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button, as I upload Power BI videos like this regularly on this channel. Now let's get started. So here I have my data model, and let's use the Q&A visual first on the page. You can use that Q&A visual from the visual panel, and now let's start using it. So the Q&A visual allows you to ask your question in a natural English language, and so that I'm going to ask it here in the search box that show me sales over time like this, and just enter. And now you can see within one click it showed me my sum of sales over time, and it shows here showing results for sales, and it also sorted by financial date. So it's as easy as this. If you like this visual and you wanted to add to your report, just click here on this button, turn this Q&A result into a standard visual. You can click it and it will add it to your page like this. So if you are in rush and you wanted to use Q&A feature to build up your report, you can easily do that like this. You can change the visual if you want, but usually Q&A use the right visual for the question. So let's make another visual. So I'm going to get this visual again, and I'm going to pose a question that show me cost over time. And let me increase the size so you can see it. Okay, so now the result is showing the results for calendar date started. So cost has a red line underneath, meaning that this visual didn't understand that what is cost. Now if I check my data, I have this COGS column which has a cost of the goods sold. So Q&A didn't use this COGS and it showed me only date because it understood over time. So to fix this problem, you can click on this gear. You can see the gear beside this search box, and it opens up the page like this, Q&A setup, and you can set up the teach Q&A. So cost refer to COGS and save it. And now it's showing up. Now let's close this window and go back to the Power BI. And now it added that word by understanding COGS. So you can improve your Q&A like this. Now let's add another Q&A visual and show me gross sales, which I already have on my data, but I'm going to type it without space, gross sales over time like this, and enter, and let's see what happens. I'm going to increase the size. And again, it didn't understand gross sales because here on my data, I have a gross sales with space in between. So let me go back to the gear, and now I have a different parts here. So I have synonyms as well. So you can set it up synonyms by columns. So for example, the gross sales, I can add here gross sales. I can add like this. Also, you can use synonyms which other people in your organization use it. For that, you can click on this add synonyms, and it will add the words which your report users already using it. So guys, this is all about Q&A feature in Power BI that you can use to create a quick report, and you can improve them by adding synonyms, teach Q&A feature, and by adding the synonyms which already your organization uses. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.